Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we're going to continue our project Planet, and in this video I would like to write to it, instead of fake planets, make them real planets like Mercury, Earth, Venus, Saturn. Yep, and now this will understand it, and this will, instead of this random planets that is created on their own, it will create the normal real planets that are in our real world. So okay, let's wait for Gemini to create it. Okay guys, it created as it says. Okay guys, I would say this is the Mercury, I guess. Oh, this is the Venus. This is good. This is Mercury, but it does not look that. Bro, what is this? Okay, this is Earth launch project. What will happen if we click on nothing, as I see? And this is Saturn, as I guess. Launch project doesn't work, I see. Yeah, but it did well. It created it really good. I would even say better than it was before. Initiate voyage. Look guys, it's the Venus, Mercury, Earth and Saturn. And let's say also add a big yellow sun. Boom. Now it will add the sun in the middle. Oh no, let's say also add a big yellow sun in the middle, so the other planets can orbit it. Okay, let's see, will the orbit work or no? It has to work. Okay, let's wait until it corrects the code and stuff. Okay guys, it did, and as we see, the other planets are orbiting around the sun. This is really good. So okay guys, this is all for this video. In this video we did with Gemini. In next video we're gonna do with Cloud. See you in the next video. Bye bye.